RC crawlers are a niche where control, durability, and realistic crawling performance matter as much as speed. For hobbyists and newcomers alike, selecting the right platform hinges on scale, torque, suspension articulation, and upgrade paths. In this comparison, I tested 5 popular 1/16 to 1/10 scale crawlers across a broad price spectrum.
List number 1. Red Cat Racing Danchi Ridge Rock 1/10 scale 4WD electric RC rock crawler. The Danchi Ridge Rock combines a 1/10 scale footprint with dual brushed motors, MOA design, and 4-wheel steering, delivering solid crawling ability at an approachable price. It ships RTR with a 7.4-volt 1500 mAh Li-ion battery and a 2.4 GHz radio, offering a ready-to-hit-the-trails experience right out of the box. The dual-motor setup and 4WD drive enhance torque delivery on steep grades and challenging surfaces, while the 4-wheel steering and crab steering options provide exceptional maneuverability on tight terrain. In practice, the Ridge Rock feels stable on cracked rocks and dirt trails, with the MOA design minimizing drivetrain bind during articulation. The aluminum-capped oil-filled shocks and tunable suspension give a forgiving learning curve for beginners while still offering upgrade potential for more aggressive crawling setups. While performance is strong for its price, expect to perform routine maintenance, lubrication, and occasional gear inspection, and consider upgrading to higher capacity LiPo packs if you push for longer run times or steeper climbs. The out-of-the-box experience is well balanced for both new crawlers and budget-conscious hobbyists. List number 2. The WPL C24-1 RC Rock Crawler RC Truck 4x4 1/16 scale RC Crawler. The WPL C24-1 is a compact 1/16 scale crawler emphasizing realism and proportional throttle and steering for a more lifelike control feel. It uses 2.4 GHz radio with long-range responsiveness and a sturdy metal chassis designed to withstand off-road abuse. This model targets fans who want a smaller footprint with proportional control and a capable suspension that conquers varying terrains, all at an affordable price. The included 7.4-volt battery supports a modest runtime, and the LED lights add nighttime play value. Performance-wise, the C24-1 excels in tight woods or tabletop setups, where a smaller wheelbase helps with precision steering and obstacle negotiation. Proportional throttle and steering translate to smoother starts and more predictable line following, which is particularly beneficial for beginners learning throttle modulation. The downside for some users is scale realism versus reliability under heavier impact. The smaller size can magnify chassis flex if the course demands aggressive rock obstacles. Still, its metal chassis and suspension give it durability beyond typical toy-class crawlers.
List number 3. Axial RC Truck 1/24 scale SCX24 Basecamp 4x4 Rock Crawler. The Axial SCX24 Basecamp is a 1/24 scale brushed RTR that emphasizes scale realism and compact portability. It arrives factory-ready with a Spectrum SLT2 radio, a small LiPo pack, and a body designed for easy maintenance thanks to hinged access. This model targets hobbyists who want a realistic micro-crawler experience in a tiny footprint with familiar axial DNA and a robust, serviceable chassis. On the trail, the SCX24 delivers predictable low-speed control and solid traction for its size. The 4x4 drivetrain and articulated suspension provide solid crawling performance while remaining approachable for newcomers who want to learn line selection and throttle control without the intimidation of larger rigs. Its small size makes it ideal for indoor testing, desk setups, or travel rigs, though it does trade off some ground clearance and torque compared to bigger 1/10 platforms. Upgrades are available, but the platform shines in its accessibility and scale fidelity.
List number 4. MJX H12P 1/12 scale Ford Bronco R brushless RC crawlers for adults. The MJX H12P is a 1/12 scale brushless 4x4 crawler with portal axles, a metal ladder frame, and licensed body styling. It ships as an RTR with 2 batteries, a 3650 or 3500 kV brushless motor, and a 45A ESC, delivering notable torque and speed balance for a capable crawler. Portal axles and a 4-link suspension enable impressive ground clearance and articulation, while waterproof Metal Gear components enhance durability for more rugged use. In practice, the H12P stands out for deep obstacle capability and climb confidence. The portal axles raise clearance to about 62 millimeters with 2.44 inches of ground clearance, and the 58 degrees/46 degrees/62 degree approach angles translate to strong approach performance on rocks and ruts. The 4-link suspension and metal center drive shafts contribute to articulation fidelity, reducing chassis twist on uneven terrain. The 2 included batteries widen playtime, and the licensed body adds visual appeal. The performance premium here comes with higher-end components and a more sophisticated drivetrain, albeit at a higher price point.
List number 5. RC Crawler WPL C24 RC Rock Crawler RC Truck 4x4 Off-Road RTR. The APA band WPL C24 is a 1/16 scale RTR with proportional throttle and steering, LED lights, and a metal chassis design. This option mirrors the C24.1 concept, but branded under APA band, emphasizing a realistic control feel and rugged construction at a budget price. It includes a 2.4 GHz radio and a rechargeable battery, targeting those who want a compact, versatile crawler that travels well and remains approachable for new drivers. Performance-wise, the C24 demonstrates solid grip on varied terrains thanks to its 4-spring suspension and 4WD drivetrain. Proportional control reduces abrupt starts, making it easier for new drivers to learn throttle management. As a budget micro-crawler, it trades off some scale realism and component refinement for value, but the chassis and steering system are designed to handle casual off-roading while keeping maintenance simple. If you plan to push the truck harder, expect to upgrade to more robust bushings, wheels, or higher capacity batteries over time.